So a lot of people was wondering in the Discord server, how did I make my BB airsoft catcher? And it's pretty simple. All I do is I just have a regular towel, then I fold it in half, then fold it in half again, and like this. And basically you just get a box. In my case, it's a shoe box. Yeah, just stuff it in here, and then just close it. I printed out this, and I have, you know, thumbsticks, and then I put tape just to keep it more sturdy. And then honestly, that's all it is to it. It's pretty simple.